Why? Like, why? I don't get it. Hello interwebs and welcome back. I'm Shanna and this is where I share my life and stories and adventures and opinions and whatever else I feel like. Now this is day 2 of my Hawaii adventures, and despite the night before ending at like 5 a.m. and Peyton and I hanging around my hostel waiting for his Uber and then passing out and then whatever, I actually woke up at like 8 o'clock in the morning, hung around for a little bit, took a shower, got myself ready, and went about the day. So let's go. So I'm going to give you guys the quick tour of what my hostel actually looks like. So we're going to do this voiceover style because there was a lot of weird ambient background noise, but this is out the front door. And then when you come inside, there are lockers to lock your stuff. There are beds, of course. There is a private room. If you go this way, there's a place to hang all of your things. There is the bathroom, which they clean every day, and that was really, really nice. Overall, it's a nice apartment. They clean everything, they're nice, they let you rent a beach towel if you want to for a pretty cheap price, but it is kind of warm because there is no air conditioning, so that's something to keep in mind. And this is what the common area / kitchen / hangout area look like, and they actually do free breakfast too. So yeah, it's actually a pretty cool hostel, and I had cool roommates from Brazil who just left today, and yeah, I don't know, we'll see who comes in next. And I just wanted to add really quick, the new roommates I got were also really freaking awesome. So my goal right now is to actually go try to rent a moped, and then I'm gonna decide what hike I want to go on, if I can get myself a moped, and just go. And you know, should be fun, should be exciting, and I'll take you guys along with me. Alright, so I officially rented a moped, and for 2 days it was $43 a day with all the waivers and everything. So yeah, and I got a free helmet. Wearing my helmet because, you know, safety first. I look like a dork, but it's fine. After acquiring and riding around and getting comfortable on the scooter, I decided I wanted to go hiking. So I headed over to Diamonhead, and let's take a look. Alright guys, so we are here now at the Diamonhead hike or park, whatever it's actually called, and it is $1 to get in. If you're walking, you can obviously drive up in here, but it's a little more expensive. Not bad. And you can also get a $10 annual pass, so if you're gonna come quite a lot, that's, I think, definitely a thing you should do. But just visiting, the $1 pass is fine for me. And I am super excited. It is hot. I'm a little sweaty already, but I got 2 bottles of water and some nuts, and I'm ready to go. So let's have some fun. Looks like you can get some shaved ice, smoothie, water, snacks. They have a little visitor center, that's in the free, in case you need things, and souvenirs. It's fun if you're into that sort of thing. And then this is where all the crowd's gone, so I guess that's where I'm gonna go. This, by the way, is the first time I've ever gone like hiking by myself. So wish me luck. Thank God there's a little bit of a breeze, just a slight one every once in a while, because it's hot. You can probably see the sweat on my face. It's hot. It's really cool so far though. So this is really cool. I didn't know they did this. You can do an audio tour. You hike up the mountain, and I don't know what it tells you about. Probably tells you about like the trees, the plants, whatever animals. I don't know. But as interesting as that is, I can Google it and I can just be by myself. Didn't bring any music today. And enjoy the hike, enjoy the views, sweat. Look at the hot mess. This is already so beautiful. Whoa. These are a little scary.
We're officially over 1 mile.
Wow. This is so beautiful. I can't. There's sweat in my eye. So the hike itself to get up here, not bad. Stairs are always evil. That doesn't matter how many there are. It doesn't matter where you are. They're always evil. But hike itself, pretty easy. Like pretty freaking easy. And totally worth this view. I mean, what? Ian was here. It's a rabbi. What is this little guy?
Yeah, so short.
Quick public service announcement. You see all this? You see all this nonsense? Littering is not cool. Don't do it. Hi, baby. You're too far. I can't reach you.
Pulling. She's like, no, come on. Oh,
well, I hung out at the top for quite some time, but I'm hungry. Gonna head back down, find some food. Don't know what yet. We'll see. guys, if you come here, remember, you're on a time limit. They have a gate and they close at 6 p.m. So make sure you leave early from the top. Make sure you come here early enough and actually enjoy the view. You don't just hike up and leave like I saw some people do. I don't get it. They walked up, they took a picture, and they walked back down. Like, you walked up just to take a picture, like you didn't want to enjoy it? I don't know. I don't get it. That's just me. Each their own. Live your best life. So let's go. Overall, the hike was obviously amazing, but one of the strangest things that I saw on this hike on the way down, it was probably like the last 10 minutes or so of the hike, that I saw this Japanese woman with her friends walking, hiking down the mountain in high heels. And obviously she didn't make it to the top because I didn't see her, and I was up there for quite some time, but just why? Like, why? I don't get it. Alright, let's go get food. So I made my way to get some food. I'm at a place called Eggs and Things, which was recommended to me by somebody on Instagram, and I'll put his information here because he has some beautiful pictures of Hawaii if you're into pictures and stuff. And I'm here because I want to try the Hawaiian acai bowl, which April sent me on a mission for. I'm also getting a side of eggs, and I ordered the special cold brew that is specially brewed here for 24 hours, and it's a good cold brew. This is the Hawaiian acai bowl. This looks so good. I'm so excited about this. Let's try it. I think I need a spoon. Oh my April. Yes. Yes. That's all I'm gonna say. After food, I kind of just drove the moped around for a little bit until I found a beach in Waikiki that I wanted to settle down at and watch the sunset. We stan a guy who takes your Instagram photos for you. And that pretty much wraps it up for this one. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know down in the comments below, what do you think about the sunset that we just saw at Waikiki? I think it was awesome. And what about the view at Diamondhead? What do you think? Also, keep an eye out for more Hawaii adventure videos and tips, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! This is so beautiful. Wow. Wow. Wow.